lost at night in the wood, shadows fight. Gnomes take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Aries, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February the 21st to February the 28th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? So pwede kayo magtanong doon. Nagre-release din po tayo ng mga videos doon. So kung hindi po kayo makaresonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. So I want you to know, Aries, that this is a general reading. So pwedeng para sa inyo ang buong reading na ito. Pwedeng bits and pieces lang naman, no? So take what's only yours, ha? Simulan na natin. Aries. So parang meron tayong mga naaalala dito. Chances are, it could be, to the, ayoko naman sabihin shallow, no? Yung sabihin natin, hindi ganun kalala, ayan. Sa hindi ganun kalalang sitwasyon, pero parang sabihin natin na parang medyo na may napapabayaan dito, no? It could be the relationship, no? Relationship can be very vague. Relationships sa family, relationships sa friendships, romantic relationship, no? Relationships sa trabaho, di ba? Kasi parang ang nakita natin dito is ang ganda sa una. Until someone broke promises, until someone, sabihin natin, nasaktan. Intentional, hindi intentional, nasaktan yung tao. Maybe there are also promises na, hindi ko gagawin to, pinapangako ko. But here we are, no? Parang na-experience natin yung pwedeng hiningi, pwede rin nating hindi hiningi, pero sa kanila nang galing, sa bunganga nila nang galing, pwede rin ni-request natin itong bagay na ito. Pero sa tingin ko, with the Three of Swords in here, ang laking sugat, no? Especially when it comes to family relationship, no? Kung sa pamilya ito, someone betrayed your trust, Aries, na parang of all the people, no, na nagagawa sa akin, kadugo ko pa, no? Kung friendship naman ito, siguro na pinagsabihan, no, ng sikreto, das nag-promise hindi ko sasabihin, ikaw na lang pala yung huling nakakaalam, alam na ng buong barangay, no, kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo. So kung sa trabaho naman ito, siguro may mga pangakong ibibigay ko sa iyo yung reward, yung incentive by this time. Magkakaroon ka ng medical coverage, no? Kung ano man promise ito, it may also be a promise of promotion, no? Pero parang hindi nangyari. Kung romantic relationship, nandito na nga tayo sa, sabihin natin, pwede rin, hindi mo alam na you were in a third-party situation, no? Bigla mo na lang nalaman, ay shit, nandito pala ako sa ganitong sitwasyon. Sa hinagap, hindi ko siya ine-expect. Nine of Pentacles in here. So this is coming from the past. So para kasing feeling mo, naka-jackpot na ako, no? This was from the past, ha? Naka-jackpot na ako. This is your current feeling, your heart's emotion. Ngayon, parang sinasabi mo dito, ito na yata yung trabahong para sa akin. Ito na yata yung business, no? Na para sa akin. Sure na sure ako na ito na yung taong ito, no? ang magiging karelasyon ko habang buhay. With the Three of Rods, so ang nakikita natin dito, parang now you're probably waiting. Hindi naman tayo bumibitaw. Kasi parang nandito tayo sa idea of lahat naman ng tao nagkakamali. Even you yourself, even I myself as a reader, no? Ngayon, para kasi wala tayong ligtas, no? Kasi this is life. It's a learning process. There may be times na nakaka-jackpot nga tayo, no? We only do this one take. We may only, and we probably not gonna have a second chance. But, you know, this is a learning process with the Three of Rods. Parang sinasabi mo dito na, oo, kaya pa naman, no? Kaya pang i-resolba, kaya pang mag-antay. Kahit nasaktan ako, I'm hoping, no, na somewhat mababago. With the Ace of Cups, ang nakikita ko naman na makikita mo rin ang pagbabago, no? Mapapansin mo itong mga changes. There might be something between the line from the past and the current, from the past and the recent future rather, kasi this is the recent future. So parang sinasabi dito na okay, may pagbawi, no? Siguro it may be just a little late, no? Let's check the Three of Swords, the Seven of Swords. So parang feeling mo na pagsinungalingan tayo, someone took advantage of us, someone takes our peace of mind, no? Especially the peace of mind, or probably take our money with the Nine of Pentacles. The Nine of Pentacles and the Page of Rods. Kasi parang ang ganda ng promises, no? Parang feeling mo tuloy it's a scam, no? Yung nangyari. Kasi pwede ka bang magkape and there is a lot of promises, no? Mag-invest ka lang dito, ang soli sa'yo, ganyan-ganyan. So sort of like that, no? With the Three of Rods and the Two of Rods, siguro nag-expect tayo na things may happen too soon, or baka the promise is mabilis nga kasi itong balik. Something really happened in here. Kailangan natin makita yon with the Ace of Cups and the Hermit. Nakikita ko naman medyo totoo, no, yung promise. It just so happened that there may be underlying situation in here. Hindi naman siya nagpakita, pero mangyayari. It just so happened not on the date of the promise, so it's still, paano ba yun? Paano natin siya iti-take, no? Kasi kung mangyayari naman, pero hindi naman siya doon sa promise date, will that still be considered a broken promise, no? Something to ponder with that question. Kasi kung mangyayari naman siya, so that will grant the request. That will grant the promise. Pero, hindi nga lang dun sa date na yung promise date. So, somehow, hindi rin siya nag-grant yung promise. So, it's between the line of the 50-50. Pero ganun pa man, as I can see with the Ace of Cups, sige, may pagbawi naman, mapagbibigyan. Now, with the King of Cups, kasi parang itong, kung ano man itong pinangako sa'yo, hindi lang niya masabi with the King of Cups. What is this happening? The Ace of Pentacles. There might be some financial problem. No, the promises may be grand. No, siguro sabihin natin, ang promise niya is bongga. If this is monetary-wise, kung company ito, may hawak naman, siguro, hindi lang umabot, no? Doon sa quota, hindi lang umabot doon sa kung ibibigay ito, walang panggulong ang negosyo, no? So, ibig sabihin, meron namang natanggap. Kaso, okay ka ba doon sa staggered na pagbigay nito? Yung kalahati muna. Kasi ang promise na ibibigay ng buo. So, might as well ibigay ito ng buo. Medyo late nga lang kasi hindi nga sumakto, no? Parang ganun ang nangyari. Kung ito naman ay friendship, may nangutang, meron naman hawak na pera. Kaso, ang promise nga din, same, no? Ibibigay ng buo, or kung may tubo, pwedeng sabihin natin, ibibigay ng may tubo, ang nasa kanila lang is sakto. So, nakakahiya kasi nag-promise ako na may tubo. So, might as well, ibigay ito ng one time, big time kasama yung tubo. If wala namang tubo, siguro kalahati pa lang yung hawak, no? And probably ibibigay ko ito with something na meron din namang gift, no? It may not be monetary as a tubo, pero as a thank you gift for, being patient with the wait. Kung romantic naman ito, ang nakikita natin dito is more of financial situation din. Sabihin natin meron siyang hawak pero hindi sapat para either this is a date, no, to a specific location, a vacation to a specific location, what else? An event probably, no? Magse-celebrate tayo ng monthly, no, quarterly, or annually, no, or anniversary. It just so happen na hindi kinaya eh. Pwede bang i-reschedule yan, no? Kung buhay family ito, I feel like you feel betrayed kasi nga meron din promise na paano ba natin i-explain? Sabihin na lang natin nangutang din, no? Kaso, pwede bang reschedule na lang, no? Kasi ginipit ako ngayon or hindi pa kaya, no? Pero kung ano man itong pinangako ibibigay, no? With a Knight of Rods, so nakikita ko naman patuloy pa rin, no? Magiging maganda pa rin ang samahan, no? Yun nga lang, I don't see that this will be a crack, no? Kasi yung bond nyo is mas matibay, no? Usually kasi kapag sinasabi natin na kapag meron ng pangakong napako at hindi natupad, totoo naman talagang magkakaroon ng dala, no? Kung sino yung napangakuan. Pero kasi mas matibay ang bond na nakita ko dito, siguro mas ito yung part na ngayon lang ako nakakita at pwede din pala, no? Kasi kahit ako, as a person, kapag napangakuan at hindi natupad, medyo nagdadalawang isip na ako the next time. Pwede rin naman pala, may ganon, na sige kalimutan ko ito, no? Chances are, makakalimutan din natin itong nangyari. Moving forward, no, parang hindi ito isang malaking dagok, no, sa ating sitwasyon. Pwedeng malungkot tayo ngayon, nasaktan ako ngayon. But then again, makaka-recover with the King of Swords. Kasi makikita naman natin dito, the King of Swords is really persistent. So ang persistence dito, or ang magiging persistent itong nangako is babawi ng babawi ng babawi ng babawi up until makita mo yung sinasabi nilang sincerity, no? With the Two of Pentacles, ngayon kasi ito no, yung fear of baka hindi mangyari, no? The Two of Pentacles, you're juggling, mangyayari ba, hindi ba mangyayari, or talaga bang dire-diretso na itong pain na nararamdaman ko with the Nine of Cups. Wish granted, no? Wish fulfillment, Nine of Cups. So, ang nakikita natin dito is more of ang sitwasyon ngayon. Pwedeng sabihin natin inalat lang, pero mangyayari din naman the Three of Cups is a celebration. So, that would be the end, no? Yung celebration. Sabihin natin late, pero it's better late than never, no? Yun yung consolation natin dito. Better late than never. Tingnan natin, no, ang ibang cards dito. Aries, I want you to know na dun po sa ating kabilang channel na Babaylan TV, again, nagla-live tayo doon. Pasensya na, wala tayong bonus round last week. Madami tayong ginagawa na nagpa-renovate tayo ng kwarto, and I need to be there para sa mga materyales. Ayan. And Aries, Doon po sa kabilang channel, doon tayo nagla-live, Babaylan TV. Now, meron din po tayong mga readings doon. You might wanna check on it. Kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. Ayan. So, kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. So, Aries, gusto ko lang pong din i-inform sa inyo, no, na kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot dito sa ating comment section, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website, no? Sa description box po ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung question form, nandun po yung amount per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. Ayan. I also created the 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, balik na tayo na. I wish we could be together forever. And this is, siguro ito yung one thing. No, I think that this is a mirrored energy. Kasi nga meron lang unfortunate event, no, that probably sabihin natin nakasira, no, or nakadismaya sa isang tao. Pero yung pagmamahal, yung promises, yung willingness, no, yung sincerity, nandoon naman talaga siya. Let's get some message from the universe. If you think you are alone, you are not. We are beside you in all challenges that you face. Trust that outside sources will always be working with you to ensure the best outcome of every situation. We have your best interest at heart. We love you. At this current moment, kasi nga meron ka pinagdadaanan, nagtatampo ka, I feel like this is more of a tampo rather than galit. If you're gonna look at it deep inside, it's more of, nasaktan ako kasi mahal ko yung nakasakit sa akin. It's more of a tampo kasi I didn't expect, no, for that person to hurt me this much. Or betray me if that is betrayal. Pero, you know, sa ngayon feeling mo walang sumasalo, walang nakamasid sa'yo, walang gumagabay sa'yo. But there is. It might be your soulmate or soul tribe rather. It might be your soul family, the universe, you know, guardian angel, God, higher self, whatever you want to call it, you know, spirit guides, no? So, meron. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, these can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Scorpio, Capricorn, Cancer, Leo, Sagittarius. Yan, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po, no, sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.